she's like, she's totally not coming. Like, why wouldn't she want to come down with us? You know,
all right, guys. I think we're ready to lay this track down. By the way, my name is Bruce Dickinson. Yes, the Bruce Dickinson. And fellas, I gotta tell you, you've got what appears to be a dynamite sound.
coming from you, Bruce, it means a lot.
I mean, you're Bruce Dickinson.
This is incredible.
Easy, guys. I put my pants on like the rest of you, one leg at a time. Except once my pants are on, I make gold records. Yeah. All right. Don't fear the Reaper. Take one. Let's roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bruce, can you come in here?
Guys, what's the deal? That was going to be a great track.
Are you sure that's sounding okay?
I'll be honest, fellas, that was sounding great, but I could have used a little more cowbell. So let's take it again. And Gene,
Yeah,
really explore the studio space this time.
you got it.
I mean, really, explore the space. I like what I'm hearing. Roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop!
Bruce, I'm sorry. Could you come back over here, please?
Fellas, come on, we just wasted 2 good tracks. This last one was even better than the first.
Well, it's just that I find Gene's cowbell playing distracting. I don't know. If I'm the only one, I'll shut up.
No, it's pretty rough.
I can pull it back a little if you like.
Not too much. Fellas, you're gonna want that cowbell on the track, I'm telling you.
Alright, let's just do this thing.
Okay, roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, you know, it doesn't work for me. I gotta have more cowbell. Don't blow this first, Gene.
Quit being so selfish, Gene. Can I just say something?
Say it, baby. Just say it.
I'm standing here in front of rock legend Bruce Dickinson, and if he wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
Say it, baby.
And Bobby, you're right. I am being selfish. The last time I checked, we don't have a whole lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
I gotta have more cowbell, baby.
And I'd be doing myself a disservice, and every member of this band, if I didn't perform the hell out of this.
Guess what? I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
Thank you, Bruce. I think of now, maybe I just leave and come back later, lay down the cowbell.
Gene, wait. Why don't you lay that cowbell down right now with us together?
You really mean that, Eric?
He speaks for all of us.
Before we're done here, you all be wearing gold-plated diapers.
What does that even mean?
Never question Bruce Dickinson. Roll it.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.